to be the future of debt funds versus fixed deposits?
Sure. So we think debt funds also offer a lot of good risk-adjusted options for investors. There are obviously different categories which are there and which needs to be evaluated. Also, most of you would be aware that on a post-tax basis, especially from 3 years plus kind of scenario, a lot of this are very, very competitive when it comes to be when it's compared with fixed deposits. Because even today, there are options which are very, very safe, which typically invest in the government kind of securities, but which look long term, which would be probably investing beyond 3 years, between say 5 to 10 years, and yielding you possibly 100 basis points over and above a fixed deposit of some of the options which is available. So that possibility is there. Plus, when it comes to investments, even looking at them from a post-tax basis is important. So therein, debt funds do offer you some interesting opportunities. Also, from a very near-term perspective, there are a lot of options which is available. So we think both of them would be relevant. But anecdotally, if you look at it, how things are panned out in the other economies of the world, which we are sure will happen in India, the inflation thing will keep relatively or keep coming down or will be relatively on the lower side. So which typically means, because that's more of a structural thing, which you can see today, cost efficiencies are happening across a lot of areas today, maybe partly because of the changing technologies. So in essence, what it means in absolute numbers is some of the returns which is there in terms of the fixed deposit kind of thing or fixed income kind of products will naturally be on the lower side. Debt funds will always provide a very interesting alternative uh, with different kind of risk profile. So debt funds also gives you multiple options, just like what equity options are. Even when it comes to debt, you will have multiple options. So we think the future is fairly good. In fact, the retail part of it will get more and more bigger as we go ahead. And we could see a lot of investors in India also participating in a big way. And we think even Indian debt market is evolving. And we have seen the regulator there trying to make it more retail centric, make it more broad based. All this will add more charm to it as we go forward.
Thank you, Rajesh.